Hi all, sorry to get cut off in the first video. I tried to make it one long video. I should have cut it into two. Anyways, here's the conclusion. I was just talking about this poem. It's a great demonstration of a lot of the things I've been talking about as features, poetic features of the ballad, the musical quality, the repetition. Notice the first and last stanzas are a repeated refrain, much like a chorus in a song. Uh, think about some of the imagery that's being used here, right? The very prosaic description of this town of Laredo. Um, Anyways, and the mournful tone, right? The sad, tragic tone of this ballad, very much a feature of most traditional ballads. So I just wanted to use this as an example and conclude by saying that the ballad is still a form we use a lot in contemporary poetry, although contemporary poets like to play a lot with the form, right? And play with these conventions. If it's supposed to be the tragic tale of, a maiden whose, love doesn't, the person she loves doesn't share the same love, then contemporary poets will play with that and use this form to talk about other ideas, social ills, bigger ideas, right? But this is a very much a traditional form of poetry that informs a lot of poetry that people write even today, and especially um, music that's written and performed today is very much it owes very much to the tradition of the ballad. So, anyways, that's about it for now. Yeah, and that's about it. Thank you very much. Bye.